Do you know every time your business gets mentioned online? Probably not, unless someone tags you. There's a free Google tool that does this for you automatically. Let me show you how to set it up. Hi, I'm Marta, creator of Accountabilibuddies and digital marketing consultant, where I help small business owners optimize their online presence. Google Alerts is a free notification service. You give it a keyword, and whenever Google indexes new content that matches that keyword, you get an email. Whether it's a blog post, a forum thread, or a press article. No manual searching required. So here's how to set it up. Go to google.com/alerts and sign in with your Google account. You're gonna type the word or phrase you wanna track, and if you want to track an exact phrase, you're gonna put it in quotation marks. Then you can click Show Options, and here you can see how often you get alerts, what sources you wanna pull from, what language, region, how many, only the best or all results, and where they're delivered. Then click Create Alert, and you can always go back in and refine these settings or delete them later. Here are a few ways to effectively use Google Alerts for your small business. Set one up for your own name so you know when you're quoted or mentioned anywhere. You can set one up for your business name to catch reviews, press mentions, or unlinked citations. My business name is often misspelled, so I also set up alerts for common misspellings. You could also set one up for a competitor to see what they're announcing. And finally, you could set up an alert for an industry keyword or topic so that fresh articles and conversations are landing in your inbox instead of hunting for them. And if staying on top of things like this feels overwhelming, that's exactly why I created Accountabilibuddies. It's a community for small business owners where we share social media tips and platform updates and meet for weekly accountability calls, so you're never navigating this stuff alone. Your first month is completely free, so you can try it out. I'll link it in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.